Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to talk about options for your classic Ford Mustang from 1964 to 1968. Let's start with the 1964 through 1968 gauge kit shown here. This is our 67 series, features a throwback styling that looks like it came right out of the vehicle. So the other cool thing about this set is that it comes complete with the bezel as well. So ditch the stock look, sweep or 5 gauge kit and go with the 6 gauge kit, including a tack. No reason to mount it on the steering column if you don't have to. Completely transform the dash and make it something custom with New Vintage USA 64 through 66 kit. Now let's talk a little bit more about our 67 through 68 kit. This is our CFR Red, which is something truly exotic and found only at New Vintage USA. If you take a look at the actual wiring on the back, this is the direct drive wiring that I was mentioning. You wire up the speedo harness, the tack harness, and simply connect your smaller gauges via jumper wires. This cuts down wiring time by 75% and dramatically reduces installation errors, allowing you to have a great looking setup on the back as well as beautiful gauges on the front. And finally, our wired kit. This is our Ford Mustang wired kit for the 67 to 68 Ford Mustang, shown here in our brand new M153 style of gauges. Similar to our DIY kit, this gauge panel comes with all of your gauges actually wired up in the panel itself, whereas the DIY utilizes a bezel that you already might have, say it's a factory bezel or an aftermarket bezel in the factory style. That's going to accept that DIY, where this kit's going to come already pre-wired and simplified to make installation as simple as possible. All New Vintage USA gauge kits come complete with your choice of gauge style, the mounting bracket, the wiring harness, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamp, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern LS, LT, Coyote, and even more, without any configurations, boxes, or modules. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED lighting make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design, with exciting styles making for bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something to fit the bill. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE, military, and simulator lines pack features that you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. Like I talked about earlier, wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring time by 75% and dramatically decreasing errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available. Even a novice builder can have professional results that look just as good from the back as they do from the front. All New Vintage USA products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.